Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a payment method. Maybe you want to pay with your credit card or maybe you got a new credit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Sprouts app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Account Settings. Then click on Payment Methods. And then this is where you can enter your payment method. So go ahead and enter your payment method here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your payment method to the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.